Hello friends, how are you? Friends, today we will attempt the daily current affairs quiz 2 December 2021. And my channel is Study Square. Please subscribe for daily current affairs update and current affairs quiz for banking, SSA, railway, NTPC and other competitive examinations. So friends, let's start. First question: which bank in India has launched the first of its kind credit card made from recycled PVC plastic? Options are DCB Bank, option B is HSBC, C option is IndusInd Bank, and D option is Canara Bank. And friends, right answer is option B, HSBC Bank. Let's discuss about this. HSBC Bank India launched the country's first credit and card made from recycled PVC plastics, and this is the first attempt in India to make a credit card with recycled polyvinyl chloride plastic, and it will help to lower the carbon emission. Next question is: Government of India has launched the India Young Water Professional program in partnership with which country? Options are option A Israel, option B United Kingdom, option C France, and option D Australia. Friends, right answer for this question is option D Australia. India has partnered with Australia for India Young Water Professional program. Let's discuss some about it. First edition of India Young Water Professional Program launched with the support of Australian Water Partnership. This is the institute from Australia which is named as Australian Water Partnership, with which India has partnered for the Young Water Professional Program. This is its first edition. So correct answer is answer D. Third question is: who will lead the panel formed by the government to revisit criteria for determining economically weaker sections? EWS is a category which is reserved for general category students, and this is 10% of overall general student population. And for this criteria revisit, government has made a committee. Who is the head of this panel? Options are A. Rajiv Kumar, B. Hasmukh Adhia, C. Ajay Bhushan Pandey, and D. Rajiv Maharishi. Friends, option C is correct answer. Ajay Bhushan Pandey is the head of the panel who will revisit the criteria for determining the economically weaker section. Question 4. When is the World AIDS Day observed? Option A is first Wednesday of December, B December 1, C last Tuesday of November, D November 30. So friends, AIDS Day was observed on December 1st. So correct answer is answer B. Let's discuss about this. World AIDS Day is observed on 1st of December 2021 for creating the awareness about AIDS and its effects. Option 5. Question 5 is: which Indian state or UT recently observed the first Aharbal festival to promote the tourism? Options are Jammu and Kashmir, B option is Assam, C option is Kerala, and D option is Rajasthan. So right answer for this question is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Friends, Jammu and Kashmir has celebrated in Kulgam district the Aharbal festival to promote tourism, and this is the first ever Aharbal festival celebrated in Kulgam district of Jammu and Kashmir. Sixth question is: which film has won the Best Film Award or Golden Peacock Award at the 52nd International Film Festival of India? Friends, first thing about IFFI is that it was held in Goa and it was its 52nd edition. Then Best Film Award was won by Option A are The First Fallen. B option is Once We Were Good for You. C option is Ring Wandering, and D option is The Dorm. So correct answer is option C, Ring Wandering. Ring Wandering movie has won the Golden Peacock Award for Best Film, which is directed by Japanese director Masakazu Kaneko, and this is very important from exam point of view. Seventh question is, name the new incumbent Chief of Naval Air Staff of India. Option A is Admiral Karambir Singh. B option is Robin K. Dhawan. C option is Parshuram Naidu Murugan. D option is Admiral R. Harikumar. So friends, right answer is option D. Admiral R. Harikumar has joined as the Chief of Naval Staff of India. He has replaced Admiral Karambir Singh, and he will be the 25th Chief of Naval Staff of India from November 30, 2021. Question 8 is, the famous Cherry Blossom Festival is observed annually in which city of India? Option A is Dehradun, B option is Shillong, C option is Guwahati, and D option is Nainital. Correct answer for this question is option B, Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Meghalaya's capital, Shillong's famous Cherry Blossom Festival was celebrated from 25th to 27th November 2021. Ninth question is, the police department of which state has launched the mobile app named Call Your Cop? Option A is Nagaland, option B is Gujarat, option C is Tamil Nadu, option D is Ladakh. So right answer for this question is Nagaland. Option A is the correct answer. Nagaland police launches Call Your Cop mobile app. Question 10 is, renowned lyricist Stephen Sondheim, who has passed away recently, was from which country? Option A is Germany, B Australia, C United States, D Spain. Right answer for this question is option C, United States. Stephen Sondheim, who has won 8 Tony Awards, Pulitzer Prize, Academy Award, and also Presidential Medal from Barack Obama, which is the highest civilian honor in USA. Stephen Sondheim has passed away. He was composer and lyricist. Question 11. India's first privately built cryogenic rocket engine Dhawan 1 has been developed by which company? Options are option A Pixel, B Dhruv Space, C Bellatrix Aerospace, D Skyroot Aerospace. Sen. Right answer is Skyroot Aerospace. Option D is correct answer. Skyroot Aerospace is a startup which is Hyderabad based, and they have built India's first private cryogenic rocket engine, which is named as Satish Dhawan 1, after Dr. Satish Dhawan, aerospace engineer from India. Question 12 is, who has been felicitated with the Best Actor Award in Male category at 52nd IFFI Festival? Option A is Vinod Raj PS, option B is Jitendra Joshi, option C is Sagar Purani, D Praveen Karupakar. So correct answer is option B, Jitendra Joshi. IFFI Best Actor Award Male has been won by Jitendra Joshi for movie Godavari, which is an Indian movie. And friends, IFFI Best Actor Award for Female category has been won by Angela Molina for Charlotte movie, which is from Paraguay. Question 13. What was the profession of Sirvinela Sitharaman Sastry, who has passed away recently? Option A is lyricist, option B is filmmaker, C actor, D choreographer. So Sirivinela Sitaram Shastri was a lyricist, so option A is correct answer. He was Telugu film lyricist and died at the age of 66. Option 14. Who has been roped in as the new CEO of Twitter Inc? Options are Vivek Rajendra Dubey, Asif Mandvi, Parag Agarwal, Vijayagiri Pava. Correct answer for this question is option C. Parag Agarwal has been appointed as the new chief of Twitter Inc. And Parag Agarwal is an alumni of IIT Bombay, and he has replaced Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey, who was the CEO of Twitter Inc. 15th question is, who is the author of book Indian Innings, The Journey of Indian Cricket from 1947? Options are Sagar Puranik, Ami Bura, Nipun Avnish, Ayaz Memon. So right answer for this question is option D. Ajay Memon has written the book Indian Innings, The Journey of Indian Cricket from 1947. Question 16. The Border Security Force is observing which anniversary of its raising day in 2021? Options are 75th, 57th, 66th, 51st. Correct answer for this question is option B, 57th anniversary. BSF has observed its 57th raising anniversary on December 1st, 2021. Director General of BSF is Pankaj Kumar Singh. 17th question. Name the winner of Best Director Award at 52nd IFFI Festival. Options are Vaclav Kadarna, Radu Muntin, Nikhil Mahajan, Branko Skomidit. Correct answer for this question is option A. Vaclav Kadarna has won the Best Director Award at 52nd IFFI Festival, and his movie Saving One Who Was Dead. This is Czech Republican movie. Question 18 is, what was the theme of the World AIDS Day 2021? Options are communities make the difference, global solidarity, shared responsibility, know your status, and inequalities, and AIDS and pandemics. Correct answer for this question is option D, and inequalities and AIDS and pandemics. And remember, 1st December is observed as World AIDS Day. Question 19. Which state's tourism department launched the STREET project? STREET means sustainable, tangible, responsible, experimental ethnic tourism. Options are Tamil Nadu, Goa, Kerala, Sikkim. So correct answer is option C. Kerala government has launched the STREET project. The project would help visitor experience the diversity of offering in these places. And this project is launched in 7 districts of Kerala. Last question for today's quiz is Haichi 2, which was seen in news recently, is an operation undertaken by which institution? Options are Central Bureau of Investigation, Interpol, Federal Bureau of Investigation, International Monetary Fund. Correct answer for this question is option B. Interpol has launched the Haichi 2 project, which is codenamed as Haichi 2. Enforcement agencies in more than 20 countries have arrested over 1,000 individuals and seized about 27 million of illicit funds. So friends, this was the quiz for 2nd December 2021. For daily current affairs quiz, please subscribe our channel Study Square and daily current affair updates. Thank you.